In last video we have gone through the introduction of Angular. In this video let's get started by installing Angular on your system. Now in order to use Angular you should have Node.js and npm, that is Node Package Manager, installed already on your system. Now to install Node.js, go to their official website nodejs.org and download and install the latest version of Node.js from here. I have already installed Node.js on my machine, so after installing Node.js, go to the command prompt and type node -v. So it will output the Node.js version installed on your system. By installing Node.js, it will also install npm on your system. To check npm version installed on your system, just type npm -v. So it will give you the npm version installed on your system. Another thing required to use Angular is Angular CLI. Angular CLI is a command line interface of Angular. It helps in speed up the development process. Now to install Angular CLI, go to their official web page, and this is the command to install Angular CLI on your system. So with the help of npm, that is Node Package Manager, which we have installed already, install Angular CLI. Now type this command or copy paste this command on your command prompt. Okay, here G stands for global. That means we are installing Angular CLI globally. So this command will take care of installing Angular CLI on our machine. So now we have installed Node.js and we have installed Angular CLI. Now we will create our first Angular project with the help of Angular CLI. So to create our new project, type ng new and project name. We will name our project Hello World. So it is asking for routing, so we will type yes, and this type of CSS file, that is CSS, hit enter. So this will download all the dependencies in your project. It will take a while. So now our project is installed. Just type cd hello world, and to open the source code of our project, just type code space dot. So this will open Visual Studio Code Editor. So now our Hello World project is open in Visual Studio Code Editor. It has various files in it. So you can use any code editor of your choice. Okay, so to run this Hello World application in a browser, just go to the command prompt and type ngserve. Okay, so I have to go to Hello World. I have cd Hello World and then ngserve. So our project is compiled successfully and it is up and running on the port 4200. So just go to the browser and type localhost colon 4200. So this is the output of our hello world application. So we will go through the folder structure of our application in the next video. Till then, goodbye.